the same sky we stand as one. Different colors, cultures, hearts undone. Diversity is harmony when we embrace unity. Let's hold hands, come together, wipe away tears, heal forever. Bridges built from love and care, feel the magic in the air. That's the way we make it shine. Every heartbeat, yours and mine. One world singing loud and clear, love's the answer, year to year to year. Mountains high and valleys low, every place we dare to go, every face a story told, rich with dreams as we unfold. Heart to heart we find our way, turning darkness into day. With a smile